Parabola, Part 3.
Hi everyone. For this session, we will discuss new concept. See our next continuation of previous part. Next definition: focal distance. See, a focal distance means let P be the any point on the parabola, then the distance from P to focus is called focal distance. See, let us consider any parabola. So this is a parabola. This is the standard form of a parabola. So this is what focus of the parabola, and this is what directrix. This is Z. So let us consider any point on the parabola. Clearly, let P be the any point on the parabola. Then the distance from focus to the P is called a focal distance. You need to find that focal distance. See here, write the definition. The distance from P. So P lies on the parabola. P on the parabola to the focus is called focal distance. Is called what? Focal distance. Okay. Now you know that by definition of the parabola, SP is equals to what? PM. SP is equals to what? PM. You need to find SP distance. Okay. So for example, the point P is some x1 comma y. See here, therefore focal distance is equals to what? SP. From the definition of the parabola, SP write as PM. SP is equals to what? PM. Now draw the perpendicular line from P to x-axis. So meet at point N. And you know that this is what vertex of the parabola. Now, how to write PM? PM can be written as NA plus HN. PM write as NA plus HN. So what is NA? So clear, this is the horizontal distance. That is the x coordinate of P. So clear, this distance is x1 and this one also x1. So NA is what? x1. Now what is AZ? So clearly you know that A is the midpoint of S and Z. So what is the focus? Focus is A comma G. Therefore SA is equals to what? AZ. That is A is equals to H. Therefore the focal distance is x1 plus A. So next note. Okay. See here, first one. The equation of the parabola. Whose axis is parallel to x-axis. So what is that equation? See here, axis is what? Parallel to x-axis. See here, you know that the standard form of the parabola. So this is what? X and y axis. So use equation is y square is equal to 4x. When axis is what? X-axis. But here axis is what? Parallel to x-axis. So like this. This is the axis. Parallel to which axis? X-axis. This is x-axis. This is the focus. So what is this equation? So clearly the parabola opens positive x-axis side. and origin shifted to some point h comma k. Therefore, the equation is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. Or if the parabola opens a negative x-axis side, in that case equation is minus 4a into x minus h. So consider any one. Now this is what y square plus k square minus 2ky is equal to 4ax minus 4ah. Now 4ax is equals to y square minus 2ky. Next plus k square plus 4ah. What is x value? 1 by 4a into y square. Next minus 2k by 4a into y plus k square plus 4ah by 1a. So clearly it is in the form of x into some constant y square plus constant into y plus constant. Therefore, from this we can write the parabola equation whose axis is parallel to x-axis is ly square plus my plus m. See here, l into y square plus m into y plus m. So this is the equation of the parabola whose axis is what? Parallel to x-axis. In that case, write x is equal to. This is the first one. Second one, whose axis is parallel to y-axis. So clear the equation is what? Y is equal to lx square plus mx plus m. Okay. So we have to remember these two equations. So based on these equations, we have 7 marks questions. Okay. Next concept, parametric equations of a parabola. So here, for example, let us consider general equation of the parabola. Let the equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. Then x is equals to 8 square comma y is equals to 280 is called parametric equations. This is called what? Parametric equations of a parabola. Okay. So clearly x comma y, px comma y is equals to what? P 80 square comma 280. So these points satisfies the standard form of a parabola. P 80 square comma 280 satisfies y square is equals to 4x. So see here, x is equals to 80 square. Substitute what you get? Y square is equal to 4a into 8 square. So y square is equal to what? 4a square p square. So clearly y is equal to what? 280. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280 is called what? Parametric equations of a parabola. See the next one. Note, if one end of the focal chord is 80 square comma 280, then find other end. So see here, consider the standard form of a parabola. This is the standard form of a parabola. Focal chord means a chord passing through the focus. Suppose this is the focus, so this is a chord. This is called what? Focal chord. Suppose P is given 80 square comma 280. So using this you can find other end. That is Q. This is what? A comma G. So clearly Q lies on the parabola. So let us consider Q point is 81 square comma 280. because of q satisfies the parabola. So here let q at1 square comma 2atb be the any point on y square is equals to 4ax. Okay. Now clearly SP co-are collinear. See here from figure S comma P and Q are collinear. Therefore slope of SP is equal to slope of SQ. Slope of SP 2at minus 0 by at square minus a. So 2at minus 0 by at square minus a. The slope of SQ 2at1 minus 0. 2at1 minus 0 by at1 square minus a. Then clearly 2a get cancelled. A get cancelled. What you get? T by t square minus 1 is equals to t1 by t1 square minus 1. So simplify this. What you get? T into t1 square. Next minus t. This is equals to t1 into t square. t1 into t square minus t. Minus t. Okay. So same this one left side, what you get? t1 square minus t1 t square is equals to t minus t. In both term t1 is common. t1 is common. So what you get? t1 minus t is equals to t minus t. So this can be also written as minus is common, you will get minus of t1 minus t. So t1 minus t get cancelled. So t1 is equals to what? Minus 1. So from this you can find t1 value. So what is t1 value? t1 is equals to minus 1 by t. Now replace t1 by what? Minus 1 by t. So here therefore Q point A into T1 square. What is T1? Minus 1 by T. Minus 1 by T whole square. Comma 2A into T1. T1 is what? Minus 1 by T. So this is Q point is A by T square comma minus 2A by T. Okay. If P AT square comma 2AT is one end of the focal chord, then other end should be a by t square comma minus 2a by t. So you have to remember this formula. For next session we will discuss more problems.